Welcome back to T.Cobb's Eats. This is Taylor, and I'll be showing you how to create America's two most requested flavors of ice cream: vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream. Now, with just a few simple ingredients and 6 hours of wait time, fresh homemade ice cream can be right at your fingertips, all without the need of an ice cream maker. Let's get started with vanilla ice cream. Let's begin with 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream straight out of the fridge. Whipping it until it can stand on its own will give you the air pockets and lightness in your ice cream you would otherwise achieve churning in an ice cream maker. For a creamy texture, now we're going to add one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And finally, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Give a quick blitz in our mixer with just these 3 ingredients. Now, transfer the cream into our bread loaf to prepare for the freezer. Finally, cover your ice cream with plastic wrap, and then we're going to send it off into the freezer for at least 6 hours. Onward to our chocolate ice cream. Let's begin by melting one 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. Here, I'm choosing to melt my chocolate chips over a double boiler. You may most certainly melt them in the microwave if you choose to do so. And now remove from the double boiler. Just like with the vanilla ice cream, whip our whipping cream and add one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And now we'll add our melted chocolate. And that's it, just 3 simple ingredients for our chocolate ice cream. And since the sweetened condensed milk already boasts a high sugar content, it'll provide just the right amount of sweetness for both our chocolate and vanilla ice creams. And now, with plenty of time to rest in the freezer, here comes our vanilla ice cream. And now for our chocolate ice cream. Now for the question of the day, are you team vanilla ice cream or team chocolate ice cream? Please leave your response in the comments below. And if you're watching this on a mobile device, I'll show you really quickly on how you can leave your response. Scroll past through all these thumbnails and you can leave your response right here at the bottom. As always, thank you for tuning in. If you like what you saw, please smash that like button, and at no cost to you. Please also subscribe so that you don't miss a beat with what's going on. And as always, have a good one.